In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom emoji in Slack. This process is simple and fun, allowing you to personalize your workspace with unique emojis that resonate with your team or company culture. Whether it's a company logo or a fun icon that brings a smile to your face, custom emojis can make your Slack interactions more engaging and lively. Let's begin by opening Slack and making sure you're in the correct workspace. You'll see a range of options, but focus on the message box at the bottom of your screen. There, you'll notice an emoji icon nestled within. This little button is your gateway to emoji bliss. Go ahead and click it. Next, you're going to look for the option that says, Add Emoji. It's usually at the top or bottom of the emoji panel, clearly marked to guide you. Clicking Add Emoji takes you to the part where the magic happens, the selection of your custom image. Here, you'll want to select Upload Image. This option allows you to browse through your computer's archives and choose any image you'd like to convert into an emoji. It's an excellent chance to get creative, but do ensure that the image is clear and recognizable, even at a small scale. This could be a logo, a fun icon, or any image that fits the mood you want your team to capture. Once you've chosen your image, it's time to think about a name for your custom emoji. When naming, simplicity is key. Choose a name that is easily memorable and doesn't include spaces. For instance, if you're adding a company logo, you might name it something straightforward like Bishop Company Logo. This way, it's simple to type and easy for everyone in the workspace to remember. Now you're almost done. After naming your emoji, click either Save or Add Emoji. By doing this, you'll finalize the process, and just like that, your custom creation will be a part of your workspace's emoji collection. One tip to keep in mind: make sure to communicate with your teammates or coworkers about any new additions you make. Sharing the news about your new custom emoji can spark creativity and engagement within the team, potentially leading to a more dynamic and fun Slack environment. Plus, if you're using emojis for branding purposes, this can help everyone stay aligned and consistent in their messaging. Now you see how easy it is to breathe new life into your Slack interactions using custom emojis. Whether you use them to add a personal touch or to strengthen team identity, custom emojis are a fantastic tool in making your workspace as unique as the people in it. Enjoy creating and exploring new ways to express yourself and your team's culture in Slack.